A lot of cloud heading our way once again today, and there's even a bit of rain in the air too, and that's because the air has travelled over 1,500 miles to get to the UK, coming all the way from the tropics, a long sea track which is picking up all that moisture but bringing some warmth, especially where we're getting some sunshine across parts of southeast England and East Anglia. Temperatures more typical of early summer.
Good afternoon. It's another rather blustery day today. Strong winds, but this afternoon a little bit more in the way of brightness. This morning down in the Thames, you can see from weatherwatcher Pisces 23, dark clouds. We had some outbreaks of rain, but the cloud has been thinning and breaking. A few sunny spells. This is in Surbiton from weatherwatcher Sue. So sunny spells this afternoon, but also the cloud.
Hello again. Well, there was some serious preening going on in Richmond today, or indeed over the weekend. Look at that. I'm not sure it's a face of pain or pleasure. Maybe with beauty, no pain, no gain. Anyway, moving on with the weather. We've got some wet and windy weather moving in tonight and tomorrow night. Then in the daytime tomorrow, there'll be a bit of a mixture of some dry weather, also some showers. And there is the chance of some thunderstorms to the north of Greater London. It's staying fairly mild, not quite as mild as today, where we got up to 21 degrees. But we are going to notice a change as we move into Thursday.
Hello, Thomas. Hi there, Sophie. It's been a bizarre day of weather across the UK today. We've had strong winds, some showers, but yet the temperatures got up to 21 degrees Celsius in parts of East Anglia and the southeast, so really quite a warm day. And if we have a look at the reason, it's this current of warm air which has actually originated from the tropics. In fact, if we trace it back, look at the wind arrows. So we're across the North Atlantic now. These are the Azores here. Here's the coast of the United States and Canada, and here we have the Caribbean. So that's where the air's come from. That does sometimes happen. It's a little unusual, but there's still a lot of energy in that current of air that's over us right now in terms of strong winds, and there are weather fronts crossing the country right now. And look at these temperatures. These are the overnight temperatures. So it's 16 degrees, no lower than that in the south overnight.
And Kate, today it was very windy at times. It was grey, but it was still warm.
It was. If you were inside looking out, you thought you might need a coat, but you didn't need a coat today because it was so warm. The air's coming up from the south. It's been a very muggy day as well. It's felt quite humid. Temperatures in London around 19 Celsius. Now, you see the warm front, that was dragging in the warmer air, but we have this cold front heading towards us, and that's what brought the cloud later on this afternoon. So this was a little earlier down at Southwark. You can see grey skies. There might have been a spot of rain this afternoon, but nothing too significant. By the same measure, we had some sunshine, some breaks in the clouds, some blue sky, and it's when the sun came out that it really did feel quite warm. Now, as we head overnight, Thursday and into Friday, ridge of high pressure starts to build, so it is a little more settled on Friday itself. We're looking at less wind and temperatures still a little cooler. That's it.
Yeah, real range of temperatures there. Thanks very much for that, Kate.
Good evening to you. Very much on the mild side for the time being, even with blustery winds, and yet more wet weather for many of us in the next 24 hours or more.